200 years after his birth, Charles Darwin is still at the center of public controversy. But Darwin's actual ideas are often misunderstood. Darwin didn't discover evolution or believe in a missing link. He didn't set out to discredit religion. He didn't say that the strongest always win, or that the biggest are the best. In fact, the biggest are often the first to fall. Darwin's ideas have long been distorted and used to support propaganda, distracting people from his simple ideas on natural selection. Which is a shame, because selective pressure doesn't only shape nature over millions of years. It happens every day and in everything around us.